Good morning, Daisy. It's a lovely Sunday morning. And why are you in the kitchen? You're looking to get in the oven. Well, it's here. I can make it nice and warm and cozy for you if you want. What do you reckon? You don't like that idea? No? Would you like a bit of breakfast? There you go. Ooh. I got these little bits of breakfast cereal. She likes these guys. There you go, sweetheart. Now you have to make your way back outside because we can't have you indoors. You make a bit of a mess, don't you, sweetie? Say good morning to everybody. That was a very quick good morning. Say it properly. You little rascal, aren't you? Yeah. Right, guys. Daisy's had some breakfast. She's having a stroll around. I've got things to do. Stick around. And welcome to the Life's Good. Hello, everyone. It's Sunday morning, 21st of July. It's about 5 to 8 in the morning. I've just approached the kitchen. Just a quick look up at the clock here. And yeah, it's just approaching 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. You can probably hear that clock ticking actually in the background. The camera picks everything up quite well, and that's quite a loud ticking clock. However, we're just having a quick look forward here, and indeed, Mr. and Mrs. Woody are still in residence in their new home location. So they're still here, they're continuing in building their nest. I believe that's her. She is sitting there and preparing herself for the production of egg. And he's been in and out with all sorts of bits and pieces. He keeps coming in and tending to her, making sure she's okay. Being very attentive, I've noticed. So they're continuing, doing their thing, preparing their new home. So it's ongoing. I'll keep you updated. I'll pop these little extra video clips in amongst my other videos so you can keep up to date with what's happening with our new family of wood pigeons in our plum tree. Well, yesterday was a total washout, guys. We've had some strange weather, as I said before in previous videos, but I had so much to do yesterday and it just rained most of the day. I've recorded most of that, so after this little chat I'll let you have a look and see what it was like, what I had to contend with yesterday. I've got some work to do on my bike. Now this was going to be yesterday's project. I've got a problem with the drive belt at the back. It's rubbing on the front pulley, making an awful noise, and if I don't sort that soon, that's going to become an even bigger problem for me. Plus I wanted to do so much in the garden yesterday. There's a lot to do. I wouldn't mind cutting the grass, and there's all manner of other tasks to do. It's never ending. It's like they say, isn't it? A garden is a thing of beauty and a job forever. Well, look, I've got to crack on. There's lots to do. The bike primarily, and I think we've had a look at the wood pigeons already. Daisy's out and about having a stroll. I've got some watering to do and a few other bits and pieces, and whatever I'm doing I'll take the camera along and I'll put it all together so you guys can see exactly what I've been up to. So enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm going to crack on, and I'll be back soon to show you what I've been doing. Take care of yourselves, be safe, be happy. Bye bye for now.
It's summer sun.